Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on onespotmedia.com.
Up first this evening, 37 Haitians, including 8 children, crammed in a small boat, arrived at the Boston beach in Portland today.
Quick action by residents helped to revive the refugees who were seemingly weak and dehydrated after spending days at sea.
As Kalisha Williams reports, the Haitians are currently being processed by the authorities to determine the next course of action.
About 18 feet long and only aided by a paddle, this is the boat in which the 37 Haitians, including 8 children, were traveling, braving the elements across the Caribbean Sea for 3 days. Today, the boat arrived at the Boston beach in Portland, and from the look of things, their journey was no easy feat.
I was just sleeping. There's this guy who says there's a boat coming in. Always, we look at the ocean, I always try to observe. When we observe, it was like an Asian boat. So they didn't know the bay, so they were just coming in all the way to the shore. So we come over, we direct them a little bit to the shore, help them out of the boat a little bit.
Seemingly distraught and dehydrated, the refugees' first request was food, and the people sprung into action.
They were weak, tired, lazy, look like they're dying. The first thing we do is get 2 cases of water, share it up for everyone. Afterwards, we get 2 cases of Coca-Cola, share it up for everyone. Then we send and get some bread and corned beef, share it so everyone can get some strength again.
And within a few minutes after being fed, they appeared stronger. This surfer, Javon Brown, said the language barrier made it difficult to get much information from them, but it seems they're hoping to settle in Jamaica.
I felt good. I felt bad because, you know, you have kids there and you don't know why the purpose they're traveling or what they want to do. I see just a glimpse. I see one of the guys with his working too with a level. So meaning they just seeking better, leaving their country. And I think it's good. My little help for maybe half an hour was good enough. That's all I can do.
But this is just the beginning of their journey in Jamaica. After the police arrived on the beach, the Haitians were placed on this bus, which will take them to a center for medical checks and further processing.
We are going to look into the circumstances that have brought them to the shore. All the agencies have been contacted, and we'll be doing all the necessaries from a multi-agency approach.
The Portland police told TVJ News that this is not the first group of Haitians that arrived in the parish since the start of the year.
This brings 8 other Haitians over since 2023 have been found in the parish in different circumstances. Some have been charged and brought before the courts. Some have been sent back to Haiti.
A waging war in Haiti spiraled by gangs 2 years after the president was assassinated has resulted in hundreds of residents attempting to flee the country. From South America to the United States, the Bahamas, and Mexico, the migrants appear to be risking it all to escape the turmoil in their country. Kalisha Williams, TVJ News.